Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily send your CV or resume through email using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure that your CV is saved on your phone either in Files or Google Drive or as a document in your downloads. Now open your Gmail or any email app you're using. And then here tap Compose button to start a new project. Then here, in the To field, type the recipient's email address, for example, like this. Then here, next, write a subject line. And here you can compose your email. In the message body, you can write a short note like this. And after done typing, you can now tap the attach or paper clip icon, choose the attach file, and select your CV from your phone. And after attaching, double check everything and tap send. And that's it. Your CV is now sent successfully through email using your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.